a public research institute in books in the Rhine Valley, and we have the three main topics where we do applied research, which are optical coatings and characterization lab, the ultra precision manufacturing lab where I'm working, and the digital innovation lab. I have three topics where actually just one is kind of my doing, but I represent all three. The open source software for wave optical simulation. It was just newly uploaded. This is in start like trying to show some application. It's for design of optical system, but not kind of usual just seeing how the light propagates in terms of reflection and deflection, but in terms of interference and diffractive effects and functions. So this is why we need the wave propagation simulation. For typical application, maybe diffractive elements, can be an axicon, can be some gratings to have some filter effects or something for given wavelengths, can be diffractive pattern generations, and so on. Here, an example that you can see on the right side is just a simulation of typical two slits, or in this case, two holes, interference image that we get here. The two holes on a plane, and here you can see the beam of collimated light that does the interference pattern. And there are some softwares already. So the object is actually not just to have the capabilities of the simulation. This is well known, but it's actually also quite in a large scale for good, or let's say better user interface in an open source environment. Because the free wave propagation software that are available are with no user-friendly interface or deep programming skills, or let's say at least deeper, are needed. And there are some difficulties in creating custom optical elements or phase distribution that may be needed for the given design. And in the paid solution, that's apart from the costs, also there are some limitation and difficulties generating non-standard results, and also there, if some non-standard elements are needed, often you need to program them in C. So yeah, here an example how this can look. It was actually developed in our lab from precision manufacturing together with optical coatings people, because of the need to simulate some diffractive axons, and for this purpose this interface has been built, and now they realized actually could be something that different people can use. So why don't make it in a more even more general package where more people can profit. So this is the idea, to find some people that are interested in such application, such tools for design of optical systems, and see some potential in new form of simulation or user interfaces.